Today, I'm going to teach you how to make bullet points and numbered lists in OneNote Desktop. This is a fundamental skill that will help you organize your notes more effectively, whether you're taking meeting notes, creating study guides, or just jotting down ideas that need clear structure. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and loading into your notebook. Give it a moment to fully load all your pages and sections so everything is ready to work with. This ensures that any formatting you apply will be saved properly without any glitches. Once your notebook has loaded completely, you're ready to start adding bullet points and numbered lists. The process is quite straightforward, and you'll find all the tools you need in one convenient location. Look at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Here, you'll need to click on the Home tab. This tab is where all your formatting tools are housed, including text styling, highlighting, and of course the bullet and numbering options we need for this tutorial. Now that you're in the Home tab, let's start with creating bullet points. You'll see the bullet icon sitting prominently in the formatting toolbar. It typically looks like 3 small dots arranged vertically. Click on the drop-down arrow next to this icon, and you'll be presented with different bullet designs you can use. OneNote offers several styles, from simple dots to checkboxes and other shapes, giving you flexibility in how you want your lists to appear. Simply click on the bullet style you wish to use, and it will be applied to your current line or selected text. Right beside the bullet icon, you'll find the Numbered Lists option. This icon usually displays as numbers with lines next to them. Click on the drop-down arrow here as well, and you'll see several types of numbered list options. OneNote provides various numbering formats, including standard numbers, letters, and Roman numerals. This variety allows you to create nested lists or match specific formatting requirements you might have. Simply choose the numbering style you wish to use, and it will be applied to create a numbered list on your OneNote page. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to quickly add bullet points and numbered lists in OneNote Desktop, making your notes more organized and easier to read. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.